All right, check this out. BestArc reached out to me to see if I do a review on this plasma cutter. These are really cool, great tools if you do a lot of cutting of metal. This channel's all the projects that I do nights and weekends, mostly automotive related. One of the largest ones I did was a 6-inch lift kit on a Ram. That video is going to be linked right there. It took over 100 hours to do the filming and editing, and I did it with floor jacks in my driveway. Check that out. There'll also be a link at the end of the video and in the description. So it comes with the 220 plug, but you do have the 110 adapter, and that's what we're going to be using today. There's a safety over the trigger, so you don't hit it by accident. All right, I got it plugged in to 110. The air's on. Flip the switch on. Obviously, because of the video, you're going to see flickering, but you're not normally going to see flickering. So let's see. Oh, here's pressures. No, that's amperage. All right, so I can turn pressures down depending on how much pressure you want. So I'm going to try it on its lowest setting first. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So that's good. I like the gauge on there. All right, we'll start there. And there's a key on top to tell you what to set it to if you're at 110 or 120, 220. Just going to hold it down. Cutting pretty good. So that works really well. So check that out. Obviously, the more steady you're going to be, the better, cleaner the cut is going to be. And again, this is on the lowest setting right now. It doesn't take much just to hold the trigger and guide it along. It's very easy, it's fun to use, and it's really quiet. You don't have to wear earplugs or anything. There is going to be some splatter, so it's very similar to welding. It's just you're doing the opposite. You're cutting instead of welding. So definitely check this out. Thanks, BestArc. I really like this thing. If you're looking for a plasma cutter, definitely check this one out. If you're interested in this plasma cutter, there will be a link in the description.